Hey guys, it is the 22nd of December. And let's see. We want to try this train's padlock. But before we do that, I just want to say I have kept and kept and kept trying this fit drill. I haven't been able to get it yet. But I will keep trying, and if we don't get it this year, we will just continue and try next year. Anyway, we got this train. So I actually really like these the body of this lock. I have one in my own collection, and I have picked a few of them. They are often also decently fun to pick. Where is my shot hook? Okay. Nothing on 1 and 2 and 3. There was a click on 4. Let's go back to 1. Nothing. Click on 2 and we open. I don't know if you can. If I can actually. No. I can actually see all the way through. Hey. Yeah. So, not a tough pick on this one, but they look good. That's at least something. Let's put it in this corner. There we go. That's 22 out of 24 locks. Just one more there, and then we're done. Oh, I forgot the light. There we go. There you go. Just 2 more. And that is going to be the end of this series. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.